How to create a broadcast channel in Facebook page. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily create a broadcast channel on your Facebook page. So first thing first, just head over to your any browser and simply log into your Facebook page account and open your Facebook page. And as you can see, I've already opened it. And now to create a Facebook page broadcast channel, this icon, that is a Facebook page, and you should head over to this page over here. So as you can see, currently since I don't have more than 1000 followers, it is not showing me any channel option over here. So it should show something like this. I will simply show you from an example. So as you can see, you should be getting this option like this channel over here, and you can simply tap on this create channel option. So broadcast channels are basically a space for you only to message your audience. So you just create one now for anyone to follow along and invite people over there to get started with your broadcast channel. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.